If 9 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta equals to 6, then find the value of tan theta. Okay, see the solution. What is given here? First given 9 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta equals to 6. Okay, so 9 sin square theta plus 5. Okay, we know that first trigonometry identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Then cos square theta equals to 1 sin square theta transpose to right side minus sin square theta. So now cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta equals to 6. So 9 sin square theta plus 5 times of 1, 5 minus 5 times of sin square theta, 5 sin square theta equals to 6. Now 9 sin square theta minus 5 sin square theta is 4 sin square theta plus 5 equals to 6. So 4 sin square theta equals to 6. 5 transpose to right side into 5. 4 sin square theta equals to 6 minus 1 is 6 minus 5 is 1. So sin square theta equals to 1 by 4. So sin square theta equals to 1 by 4 means sin theta equals to square root of 1 by 4. So square root of 1 value 1, square root of 4 value 2. Sin theta equals to 1 by 2. So sin theta equals to 1 by 2 in sin 30. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. So therefore the value of theta is 30 degrees. Now we will find tan theta. Tan theta. Okay. Tan theta. Tan theta value 30. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. If cosecant alpha equals to root 2, cot beta equals to 1, then find sin alpha plus beta, where alpha and beta are acute angles. See, cosecant alpha equals to root 2 and cot beta equals to 1. Cosecant alpha equals to root 2 in cosecant 45. Cosecant 45. So therefore alpha equals to 45 degrees. In the second case, cot beta equals to 1. So cot beta equals to 1 in cot 45 degrees. Therefore the value of beta is 45 degrees. Now we will find sin alpha plus beta. Sin alpha value 45 plus beta value also 45. That equals to sin 45 plus 45 is 90 degrees. Sin 90 value 1. Prove that cosecant 2a plus cot 2a equals to cot a. What is LHS part? Cosecant 2a plus cot 2a. So cosecant theta. What is the cosecant theta formula? Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. And cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. So cosecant 2a plus cot 2a. So cosecant 2a means 1 by sin 2a. 1 by sin 2a. Cot 2a means 1 by tan 2a. Okay, that equals to 1 by sin 2a. Sin 2 theta formed in terms of tan theta. Okay, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by tan 2a. 2 tan theta. I mean theta here a is there, right? A. 2 tan a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So 1 by 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a is 1 plus tan square a by 2 tan a. Plus this is also 1 by 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So 1 minus tan square a by 2 tan a. Observe that here 2 tan a is the LCM. Now numerators 1 plus tan square a plus 1 minus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a. So minus tan square a plus tan square a cancel. So 2 plus, see now 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2 tan a. 2 by 2 tan a. So now 2 in one time. So 1 by tan a. 1 by tan a. 1 by tan a value how much? 1 by tan theta is cot theta. 1 by tan a is cot a, which equals to RHS. Therefore, cosecant 2a plus cot 2a equals to cot a. If A, B, C are angles of triangle ABC and none of them is 90 degrees, then find the value of tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Okay, ABC are angles of triangle ABC. So sum of the angles near triangle is 180 degrees. So angle A plus, that means in triangle ABC, any triangle in triangle ABC, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C equals to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B equals to C transpose to right side 180 minus angle C. Here the question is in tans, so apply tan on both sides. Tan on both sides. So tan A plus B equals to tan A plus B equals to tan 180 minus C. What is the formula of tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B equals to tan 180 minus C. Tan C. 180 minus C in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is negative. Only sine and cosecant are positive, remaining all trigonometry ratios are negative. So tan A plus tan B equals to this term transpose to right side minus tan C. Okay, multiply with division transpose to right side, multiply 1 minus tan A tan B. That equals to tan A plus tan B. Okay, equals to minus tan C into 1 minus tan C. Minus of minus plus tan C into tan A tan B. Tan A tan B tan C. So tan A plus tan B minus tan C transpose left side plus tan C equals to tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Okay, sorry, tan A tan B tan C minus tan C transpose left side plus tan C. Here still tan A tan B tan C. Therefore tan A plus tan B plus tan C. See, tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals to tan A times of tan B times of tan C. If tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2, find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. Okay. Tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2. Okay. Squaring on both sides. Now we will find the value of tan square plus cot square. Squaring on both sides. So tan theta plus cot theta whole square equals to 2 square. So this is how the form a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is how the form a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 2 square value 4. 2 square value 4. Now see, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta. Cot theta value in terms of tan theta 1 by tan theta equals to 4. So tan theta get cancelled. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 times of 1 is 2 equals to 4. Tan square theta plus cot square theta, 2 transpose right side, 4 minus 2. If 4 is there, 2 transpose right side minus 2. So tan square theta plus cot square theta equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. If tan A plus cot A equals to 4, find the value of tan power 4A plus cot power 4A. So what is given? Here given is tan A plus cot A equals to 4. Okay. Now I want the value of tan power 4A plus cot power 4A. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then tan A plus cot A whole power 4 whole square equals to 4 square. Squaring on both sides. Now this is how to form a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2 times of a b. 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 4 square value how much? 16. 4 square value 16. Now tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 times of tan a times of cot means what? 1 by 10. Cot means 1 by 10 equals to 16. So tan a get cancelled. So tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 times of 1 is 2 equals to 16. So tan square a plus cot square a equals to 16. 2 transpose right side negative 2. So tan square a plus cot square a equals to 16 minus 12 how much? 14. 16 minus 12 is 14. But I want tan power 4a plus cot power 4a. Again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. Now tan square a plus cot square a whole square equals to 14 square. Now this is also a plus b whole square. Here a is tan square, b is cot square. A plus b whole square. So a square. A square. A is tan square. B square b square. B is cot square. B is cot square. A square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 14 square. 14 square value how much? 196. 14 square value 196. So tan square whole square. So tan power 4. Tan square whole square is tan power 4 a. Cot square whole square is cot power 4. Cot power 4 a plus 2 tan square a times of cot means what? 1 by tan. Cot means 1 by tan. Already I said cot means 1 by tan a. Cot square means 1 by tan square a equals to 196. Okay. Now tan square a get cancelled. So finally tan power 4. Tan power 4 a plus cot power 4a plus again 2 times of 1 2 equals to 196. So tan power 4a plus cot power 4a equals to 196. 2 transpose right side will do. So tan power 4a plus cot power 4a equals to 196 minus 2 how much? 194. If tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2, find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. Okay. Tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2. Okay. Squaring on both sides. Now we will find the value of tan square plus cot square. Squaring on both sides. So tan theta plus cot theta whole square equals to 2 square. So this is how the form a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is how the form a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 2 square value 4. 2 square value 4. Now see tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta. Cot theta value in terms of tan theta 1 by tan theta equals to 4. So tan theta get cancelled. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 times of 1 is 2 equals to 4. Tan square theta plus cot square theta 2 transpose right side 4 minus 2. Here 4 is there, 2 transpose right side minus 2. So tan square theta plus cot square theta equals to 4 minus 2 is 2.